Hey there, this is Sam from EasyTradingSignals.com, and this is the second video in a short series today about where prices are heading for both Bitcoin and gold. And this video is about gold. The previous one, don't forget to watch it, is about Bitcoin. I initially thought I'll do both in one video, but things got a little bit long-winded on the Bitcoin side, so I decided to do a separate one for gold. So, if you've been following along, you'll know that I made some gold price predictions in the beginning of the year, and for the most part, it's been playing out quite well. We do have quite a bit of congestion, as I mentioned previously as well, and more so than what I expected at this point. But if we look at the latest charts, let me just quickly get in here. So I'm gold on the 4-hour here. I really like what I'm seeing over here, and I'll zoom in some more to show you why. Okay, that should be nice and clear. So look at this. We have, by now you know, I love Elliott chart patterns, and my motto is, if it's easy to see, it's easy to predict, and if it's not clear, well, then you just stay away and wait until it's clear. But this is what I'm seeing here: 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, 5. A little bit ugly again there. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so very clear 5-wave pattern over there, and if I zoom in a little bit more, trying to drag this around, you'll see that once again, as I mentioned in the previous video as well, normally in a 5-wave pattern like this, when you see a sharp move on your first correction, you expect a somewhat more sideways correction on 1, 2, 3, 4 on your 4th wave before it finishes on the 5th. And what I'm seeing over here is quite a nice move down and a very sharp move up. I'm actually expecting, let's correct that, I'm actually expecting that with, I'll try and do this again, with this move here, I'm actually expecting it to go sideways some more and then head up after that. The reason for that is because at this point what we're looking at here is a 5-wave that completed, and if we zoom in some more, let's maybe look at 1 hour level. There we go. If we're looking at the 1 hour level, what looks like is happening here to me is that we have 1, 2, 3, and then we should get a bit of a pullback at some point over here, and then I'm expecting it to not really go much above the 1259 level at this point before it does a bit of correction. That is really my guess based on what I'm seeing over here. And let's drill down to maybe 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, so you see over here, this might jump up a little bit more, but I'm kind of expecting us to move sideways somewhat. And since we had a quite a sideways move here on this correction over here might be faster, and then I expect it to take off some more before correcting itself again. And let's go back to 4 hours. There we go. So I'm expecting it to hit around about 1 to onto 7.5ish, and you know, I mean, I'm not quoting exact figures here, so it's terrible. These are just guesstimates based on support and resistance levels. And then for it to head back down a bit, complete this correction over here, and then head back up again, because this movement over here that we have is pretty strong. So that's what I'm expecting for gold in the relative short term. Of course, in the long term, I haven't changed my views. I believe it will head up all the way here to the 1295, and potentially, and this is what I said previously, 1375. In order for it to complete this larger move over here. So a larger move up, sideways, and then up, so that it matches and tests this level over there. That's what I'm expecting to see overall, okay? And that's the original forecast as well that I made, and so we'll have to see how it plays out. I think originally I said that I would expect this to happen for it to complete this move around about October-ish. So there's still some time left. You never know, the market's always interesting. But hey, so this is the update I wanted to give you. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helps you in some way to read charts a little bit more. And if you have questions, let me know. I try to get to questions. Unfortunately, I often get swamped with spam messages and spam email, sometimes even in the thousands. So please bear with me. But hey, as always, trade easy and remember to subscribe. Thanks, bye.